Still in the mall. Still scrolling around. Bought some stuff, took it back to the car, come back inside to scroll around some more. And hola, hola.
Hey, how's amigo? Okay.
Yeah. Question, is it we the only like people driving across?
No, the man again. A man was behind us, me seeing this way.
Okay.
We just watch a man coming.
Oh, good.
Oh, scrap look over there. Does he find a canal?
Yeah, this is gonna for real. Oh, snap.
Just to make my shoe. When they need us.
Oh, nice. I'll come in there. You can go more?
Sick Roach.
Today's the week coming up.
I have to try there. Hey, come bro.
The hard, bro.
Come bro, give me a picture.
The hard. The backdrop is hard.
Hold on. Give me a picture.
All them Spanish speaking country, bro. I don't know what is up. How them fuck. Okay, so going on the road, going and rent a vehicle. We're gonna pick up little bird food, you know. The dogs in the yard. That's how it's doing, you know. So fill y'all in while we in the bar. Deciding like this mall. It's a vibe. Hello. Hello, my friend. Hello.
You could sing a song music video right there. Pop out of the way.
Cameraman just in the front cart. So we stop and Kian buying some cream figure hand because they're real good at, you know, swearing. Guyanese end up on the level of swearing. Trust me. Look at you hear me.
Hey guys, this is Roach. He's Kevon, behind the #1 biggest trader. Yeah man, he's a good friend. He's not a trader though. He's a trader.
A trader, not a trader.
Yeah man. These cheap clothes me look bad.
Wow. people's story for the chase me out, but still in the mall, still scrolling around. Bought some stuff, took it back to the car, come back inside to scroll around some more, and to also get food. So come in and check in with you in a minute. So we here. It's currently day 3 in Panama, and finally we have some sun. I don't know if the camera gonna be doing you guys justice, but we're getting up on the roof. It's sun, it's not raining, so we're getting outside. We definitely gonna be going to like a beach area or something today, and of course y'all coming along with me. So yeah, hold up though. I'm gonna have to walk with this phone. Hola.
Hey, pasa amigo, ¿todo bien?
Yeah. Alright, so paso. I don't know what it means, but it's a friendly guy. Not gonna lie, sun feels nice. Whew. Yep, you're accustomed to this, man. Sun. Alright, hold on, let me get y'all right. Yeah, man. Yeah, sure. So it's very, very bright, I ain't gonna lie. And the sun ain't, or must be because you see the sun ain't feeling hot right now, but it's bright. It's very, very bright. But it feels nice. Place has just been rainy. It ain't really cool, slightly cool, because the AC in every single solar place you go, kind of making it more cool, and then the rain, so the place just dark and cool all the time. It's just real nice to feel the sun, man. And the place look tropical, but like a foreign vibe, you know? Like if America was a part of the Caribbean type shit. But I can really like show y'all around like goodness. All right, what I can gotta do is change the aperture so you guys can just, yeah buddy, I still can't see in the direction there because good old sunny boy is out. Look at that skyline, bro. Look at that, bro. The glare off of the buildings and all is, excuse me if I seem in little never to see come to see, but I'm from a third world country, my guy. It's not that I never see it and I now come to see it, but I don't see it at home and I now come to see it. So yeah, we just enjoy the little sun, the little American tropics. Nice. But today is Friday. I have not actually placed a single trade since we've been over here, and we came over here on Wednesday. Yeah, we came over here Wednesday morning, you could say. We took about the day to settle in, and then on Thursday I was watching at the charts, but I didn't actually find any trades, so I didn't take any. However, I was active on the charts. I was monitoring the charts, but I just didn't find any setup, so I ain't forcing it. I don't want to lose money when I'm on vacation, and I really and truly plan on, even if it's $50 profit, make it, withdraw it to that crypto card. I have cash, but it's just the freedom, you know? It's just the liberty to not need the cash, you know? Or if the cash run out, I could just go to the ATM, withdraw, and that's it, bro. Is next level. Like, I really can't explain it. Is a level of freedom that like I didn't even know I need or I want. Because like I have other friends that are on the trip as well, and they don't have a Visa card, they don't have the crypto. They have like a local Visa card and it's not working over here. So they would have to call somebody, then get them to send money through Western Union or a money transfer company or what you want to call it, or service. But that card, I could just send crypto, and I already use it in a store, so I know it works fine over here. And I could just withdraw cash from any ATM or spend it. Bro, it's just, I don't even know, man. I can't explain it, but it just, trading in general is revolutionary. The freedom that it provides is next level. And then the crypto card, the ability to transfer your funds within minutes freely without, you know, restrictions is just thought I should open the camera and have a little chat with you guys, cause hey, we over here and the work does not stop. Every single solar day we on the grind. Every single solar day we still showing up, even though I might not find an opportunity every single solar day. It's still a trading day, it's still a part of the job, and we're on vacation, but we still busy, we still at it, nothing wrong with that. Down there, I don't know, the camera can't zoom that far in, but you see the bus where people going to right there? I think it's some like local dish, and I really want to try it since day before yesterday when we come. So I don't know, in a couple minutes I might go down, because I don't think he's be there all day. It's like a breakfast something, or like a meal that persons buy when they on their way to work. So yeah, we can sample that and see what local food is like here in Panama. So far we eaten Chinese food and We bought some groceries and cook, you know. But be honest with you, because our culture is so different, because it's a Spanish-speaking country, even though it's a part of South America, the buildings don't look nothing like the buildings in Guyana. Even though Guyana is still a part of South America, we're more leaning to the Caribbean, when Panama is more leaning to the Central American, South American, Spanish culture. So the food is different, the buildings are different, the driving system, left-hand drive, and you know, just every single solo thing is different. A lot of rules that we are not accustomed to in Guyana, the things that we do on a daily basis we cannot do here, which is fine. You know, when you go a new place you just have to learn to adapt. But honestly, I'm enjoying it. I can't complain. And it's true to God, bro, I can't complain. So yeah, gonna bring y'all in along as usual for the journey, and we can see what we get down to today. But yeah.
Responsible, job style, the flow, nothing night. I'm not JP, so the name won't can't take a light. Here's the rifle drop on me. Call me, I can run you rich. We're rich, every no. Anyway, once me I work with no rehearse. Best life, not the works. No way the beats are send bad mind with the earth. The jet take off, but secure, so them earth. Can't talk over nothing when I head fever. You know, see a Gucci pa my body and no dulce in a Gabbana. Cuban, me got time that fly got Panama. Them attack when I talk, they know who I stand that. Triple shots like tanker, when could the check anchor. I scheme, load of murder around, wanna do long chop. I hear anything, we full of two like come here, they got you, no care them up. They want see nothing but more while left for 200. Tell attention seeker, only things I'm pussy up. Social media, generation legend, car with great. No million laws in 48. Big body because you can't fancy. Unity and set up respect, me demands it. Hey, and me know me and me gon' know me that damn rich. Tell you come no step to move and put that in a casket. Yo.
This bridge massive, this is what it look like. That's like the exact bridge when we get home, man.
Bridge. And this here look a little bit more big.
Like a canal, something like.
We're really going up.
Why you can feel the pressure changing?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a nice lake or something over there.
That's a canal.
Is it canal? Look fucking shit. But the blue.
Oh, it's a guy, bro. Take a video straight in front of their Bluetooth.
Alright.
Posted something on no, people think it up on the Harbor Bridge.
Question, why are we the only like people driving across?
No, the man again.
A man was behind us being seen.
This way.
Okay.
We just watch a man coming across.
Oh, good.
Oh, scrap, look over there. Does he find him a canal?
Yeah, this is canal for real. Oh, squiggles. We couldn't go there?
Beautiful. Humble clad, mount the cameras out, could have swear a cameraman.
I wonder what the wildlife thing here. I think we should go and check out these zoo.
If you see no thing.
This road's smooth, man. This road feels new.
Barely see if he could have swear there's not Panama that looks like Caribbean. Yes, I'm not going there, boy. No matter where free you are for fight, man. People are trying to bring back a square one.
Yeah, ready?
You could just take it off on the barefoot.
Ooh. Bro. Could y'all look at this? Look at this, yeah. Nah, man. You see how we look scary? Wow. This is beautiful, bro. Make I feel for swim, dog. The man that are catching fish. Yeah, G.
Bottom of water,
Bombok, hey!
This thing don't smell rank at all. This thing smell like water, like pipe water. Hey, it's a smell rank, but like the water itself. Wow. Look at all these ships.
Bye, have a great time.